trace of the wind. I have carried out your message and brought forth her into existence. Why do you haunt me with your unknown face? For in the air, I perceive the terror of your might and the harbinger of grief that flies as birds over my head. They bring sorrow as wine and tears as rest at night. Leave me alone! Let me be! Leave me alone! Borurudo, borurudo, orudo, 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 borurudo, orudo, 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 borurudo, borurudo, orudo, 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 borurudo, orudo, 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 borurudo, 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 orudo, 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 borurudo, orudo, 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 borurudo, orudo, 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 borurudo, 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 orudo, 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 borurudo, orudo, orudo, orudo. You forgotten soul of the hereafter, you daughter of perdition, how dare you? I curse you. You shall mourn the end from the beginning. I shall render the air you breathe poisonous. I know you, Onogu. It was you who lied against me years ago and made the people of Ubene banish me for an atrocity I never committed. And the mark of your end I bring. You will wreathe and wreathe and wreathe again and again for saving the lost one. Begone, Ika! Begone!
I have finally found love in the great Ubene. Oh, how I cursed the shrouds of the night and wished I was looked upon by a man great from all and sundry.
And how sure are you that Izuna we all know loves you? Come out of the clouds, Obiageli, for you are only a talkative, and no man in his right senses will take you seriously.
Oloma, I know that you have always been jealous of me and my uncommon beauty.
You wish.
But hear this, Izuna loves me. And there is nothing you can do about it. It is in his arms I shall cling to forever. While you stand there, wishing for such love to cross your path.
Send her away. You shall send her away.
Oh no, God. The wise one. What do you speak of? Who should be sent away and for what reason?
She is the daughter of the hereafter. She is the cursed one. Send her away, else there shall be blood.
Oh no, go.
Onogo the wise one, the one who sees as far as the eagle goes. I have always supported your words. Yet, I noticed the maidens are scared of her. And indeed, she's on a mission.
A mission to strike the unsuspected. She is the customer. She is that entity with 3 lives. The hollow of time past.
Onogo, the wise one. She will not be sent away. I know who she is.
Oh no, no one challenges the great viper of Ubene. The one whose words will bring misfortune to those who are disobedient.
How do you mean?
Do you know who she is?
The ghost shall not send away the innocent one, whose only crime is to be extinct from where she belongs.
What?
Yes!
What do you know about Zerema the Temptress?
Shut up! Shut up! Speak forth not. Else your night shall come sudden and day, and your tomorrow will never come. Be silent, Ugo. Be silent.
What does she speak? I'm done tired.
Where did that old witch and her bringer of grief tarry to? Why are her words so abstruse, odorous, and hidden in words that struck and pierced the hardest of hearts? What does she have to tell Ubene? And what does she have to take that I and Ofoma, my brother, so dearly, as though she were our benefactress?
Why did I not think about this? Oh, gods of Ubene clan, thank you so much. I revere you for this inspiration you've given to me. When all and sundry began mocking me for my failed love and woes. Now, I know what to do. Chimera! Chimera!
Come here, you.
Thank you, Ezechi, for making me feel the splendor of a woman. I shall always crave you.
Oriako, my love. And I shall always be here to sort out your yearnings, to plunge and plow into your pot of pleasure.
I feel as though I see grief, and I am only waiting to mourn the end later.
What do you see?
It is my brother, Jidofo, the healer of Ubene. Dreams. Dreams. I only envisage. What do I do?
Well, my love, you worry too much. Jidofo is an undaunted and strong young man. He will not be defeated. So worry not, my love. And come on to me.
Your words are
are soothing to my soul. Thank you.
So is the scepter of my pleasure. Now tell me, would you like to go in one more time and thank me properly, my love? Come on, let's go.
You speak as though it is that easy. When the one you talk of does not even care about you anymore.
Kaimara. I shall have my way. Do you know what's more interesting?
Tell it to me.
I shall birth him a son.
In your wildest dreams.
I shall have my way with him. And when I do, I shall conceive. And when I am due, I shall birth him a son, and no one shall separate me from him.
It shall not stand, Kaimara. Not while I draw breath from the airs and spheres of this earth. It shall not stand.
Oh, Biageli, it's a beautiful...
Zuna, tongues are beginning to wag.
Tongues? Do not tell me they speak ill of you, for I shall go and cut them off and render them speechless.
You care so much for me?
I do. I care so much for you. Now tell me, what did they say about you?
They say that I talk too much. And that I'm a woman that goes about begging for love. Please tell me, Zuna. Do you really love me? I want to know.
I love you so much, Obiageli. I love you. Or do you want me to open my heart so you know how much I care about you? Now listen to me. You must pay little or no attention to their words. For those who speak ill of others are only consumed by the envy that battles their soul. Okay? Shouldn't I love you? Shouldn't I do?
Where goeth my dreams? Why do I see no more? Why have I become suddenly blind to the whims and caprices of Shideofo? And why do I foretell no more?
Shideofo stole your glory. He sits on your candescent glow. He relinquished it.
She did for my friend.
Oh no! I was actually on my way to your abode.
To seek what? You harbinger of doom and foreteller of evil. You spit words of evil into the air to destroy the innocent ones.
No one challenges the great viper of Ubene. I control even what you do not see.
You control everything and everybody with your spell, you evil witch. Your days are numbered. I curse you, Onugo. I curse you as soon to roam in the hereafter. I curse you for the pain you have brought onto this land. They may not know that you are the black owl that cries at night when the men of Ubene sleep under a strange moonlight.
Shut up! Shut up!
They may not know that you are the reason Ubene has not gotten a king for over 3 decades now. What else do I tell them? Do I tell them the truth?
You shall speak no more, Onowo. I curse you with blindness.
You... my eyes! I can't see! My eyes!
No one! No one. I say no one speaks of my wanton secrets. No one shall reveal the aftercut of my pain. My wrath rages and unfolds. This is your end, Uno.
What do you want here? You have broken the bond of friendship between us. What do you want from me?
Forgive me. I know I offended you, but you will not blame me. My emotions took the better part of it, and my insecurities flew like birds of the sky.
The deepest cut is the one inflicted by someone you hold in high regard. But former, you caught me deeply. I don't want to see you.
I shall tell you the truth you speak of. Zerema the temptress. She sojourns from a land farther than the Nollywood, and her cube lies within the leaves of the hills.
What is this you say?
I saw it in my dreams. There's a leaf she searches for. A leaf that will bring to her her truth and the mystery behind her years. And only you, the healer of our land, shall find that leaf.
Performer, I swear to you, if this is one of your charades and babbles to deceive me, I will never forgive you.
Let the cord strike me down. Let my dreams be moved, and let me be cast into the abysses.
I see it clearly. Little wonder she shields and hides in the darkest nights. Now I see it. Thank you.
Oriako! Obiageli, when did you become a messenger of terror? You startled me.
Oriako, there are strange happenings in the land of Ubene. You know who is dead. Where do we go from here?
Evil has befallen our land.
Since the arrival of Zerema, the only thing that seems to flourish is the love between the men and the maidens. I pray the gods protect my newfound love.
You found love? You, Obiageli? You of all people?
What is funny? Eh? What is so funny about that, I ask you?
No. I am happy for you, my friend. Well, I can see that you are on your way to the stream to get some water. Why don't you go ahead? We'll talk more about this on your return.
Your love captures my heart. And your eyes, they bewitch me. But my greatest fear is...
What is your greatest fear?
Your eyes. I see the power beneath your sunken eyes. They drag me into this...
Do you regret helping me that day?
No. Never. I do not regret it. But you must tell me the truth.
What truth?
The truth that you and you alone know. The one that eats you deeper than normal. Tell me, I want to help you.
You cannot help me.
I can.
You can't.
Zarema, I can. Let me help you stop this. Let me help you break the curse. Spit it to me, my beloved.
There's nothing I can do. They have decided my fate.
Your fate? Who are they?
Do not go down that path with me. Please, Jidiofo. Go now. I have to go.
Please. Will you go and leave me broken, shattered after stealing my heart?
Don't come any closer.
Please.
My days are ended. And the leaves of Otpa are withered. And my beauty you see no more.
So why then did you come? Why did you come? Only to raise my hopes and plummet it. Why? Please, my beloved, don't go. Don't go.
Touch me.
Please.
Don't touch me.
Please, don't go. Ah! Zema! Zema!
In your light shall darkness be found, and in your eyes a monstrous shadow shall plague you. I curse you, Achikala! I seize your womb and I curse your way. I seize his attention from you. And when I go before him, he shall see me as Zarema. Then shall I carry his seed within me and be called the wife of the greatest healer in Ubene. I curse you, Achikala! I curse you!
Ofama! Ofama! Achikala! Achikala!
I have something to tell you.
Obiageli, what troubles you? You run like a woman being chased by a wild animal.
Your lover, he's broken and benighted.
My lover, what besets my supposed lover?
He sits alone sulking for his love. The temptress, she's gone and he searches for her but he sees her not.
Obiageli, Obiageli. Oh, how I bask in this gossip of yours. For once in your life, it sounds so meaningful.
Do you insult me, Achikala?
The gods have heard me. I called onto the gods and they heard me. Now, I shall go and inundate him into my vagaries, my whim and caprice.
Whims and caprice? Were those whims and caprice not in existence when he looked her way?
She's gone now, and that is all that matters.
Oh well, I wish you well. I shall go on to my lover Izuna, who holds me in his deepest of hearts.
Osama! Osama! How I wish you were here to hear this sweet, savoring tiding. Prepare! Prepare, people of Ubene clan, for I am Jideofor's wife, the greatest healer of our clan. Prepare! Prepare! Osama!
Mother of all, you have literally been my mother. I beseech thee, for I am only a dreamer, and I dream no more. My eyes have become suddenly dim and blind to the happenings of the other realms. Speak to me, please. Please speak to me.
You must destroy him, for it is your foreordination.
But I still hold him as a dear friend. He saved me when all I felt was a burning anguish and a bloating desolation. He came to my aid.
He did that to scum you. As long as you remain his friend, your destiny shall be swamped. You must tear him into shreds. Failure to do so, I will scream and tell everybody the secret that will eat you and your sister deep.
But how can I kill a man who is well respected by all and sundry and protected by the gods? This conspiracy is too much to bear.
You shall go to his abode and steal from him. You must steal the might of his power.
What is the might of his power?
The pendant of glory. The pendant of glory he keeps in memory of his father. You must kill him. For when she comes back, that river of death shall swallow us all. None shall be left alive.
My heart flutters, Zerima.
Searching for your face in the crowd. In the air.
My heart billows.
Perhaps your heart has refused to move on. It is time to move on.
What do you seek with me?
Your temptress may be magical and effervescent as the light of her beauty. But what really matters is the one that stays beside you forever.
I can't stay here with you, Kaimara. For my heart goes out to another.
Your heart is caged by the siren that chants and bewitches you. But never again, for she is gone. Let me below your body. Let the fire burn. And let the rivers of endless thirst flow.
What do I see before me? The one who I told of my aim ended up using my aim against me?
I can't. I cannot do this to her, for I shall see her again.
You shall not, revered one. You shall not.
Why do you plummet into thoughts and tempests while I sit here bereft of your touch, Oriaku?
My love, what bothers me is beyond the sweet nothing of love. It is the mystery behind Zerima's disappearance.
Very well. Indulge me. Speak.
You must go now. My brother needs my words. He's sulking.
I shall not come between the bond you share with your brother. But whatever it is, I will always be here for you. Always be here, my love.
Help me! For the only one who can save me, I hurt deeply like a deep cut. Judy of her wallows within time and love in search of my face. Why do I have to live with this curse? Why can't I live a normal life? Why am I here alone? Why? Please take me. Take me away, for I shall plunge into this river of death and sink away. Then shall I be forgotten forever. For I am tired of this curse that eats my skin. Who are you?
I am Miriaha, harbinger of truth and goddess of the river of death. Go into the spheres of this day and search through the valleys and abysses. Find that stalker that seeks for your blood. That old witch that cursed you. Then you shall find the truth that you seek. For she is your end, your truth and your death.
Why did I not succeed? Why did he run away? I have never failed in getting any desired man of Ubene. Indeed, he's a tough one, but I shall not stop. For tonight, I will go there, and Achikala will cry and weep.
It is you that shall
cry and weep and feel a bucket.
How dare you, Achikala? Achikala, how dare you?
You went ahead and tried to seduce my man and entrap him?
Did you succeed?
No! Kaimara, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be very ashamed of yourself.
Achikala, your days of glory are over. For you are nothing but a shadow of time past. A bane told of all of Ubene. They learned from your desperate wantons of clinging to a man.
How dare you? Look at you. Has any man looked your way?
Achikala, Jidofa will never look your way. Yes! That child you envisage from him will be bettered by me! And when his term is over, he shall cling to me and suck from my breast! So I dare you, Achikala! I dare you to stand in my way! I dare you!
Go. Go on. Have him. And when you do, make sure you take him and grow his seed. For you never shall know when death will come knocking.
Is that a threat? I ask, is that a threat? I thought not.
I know you do not like me. I'm here in search of the truth. Your rift with my late parents leaves no trust in my heart for you. But this day I swallow my pride and I beseech thee.
He will take you to a place where you will find a cure to her curse. At the river of misery, there you shall call her name 4 times, and the light of your love shall glow again.
Ofoma. Ofoma knew all along and did not tell me.
The gods are wiser than us all. They only reveal when they deem fit, and they have revealed. Go now. Go forth into the bushes at the river of death. There shall you find the cure for her cause.
What if I choose not to go?
Then shall your death be abrupt and sudden like the whirlwind. No man has seen her nakedness and lived to fulfill his destiny. You are the only man who has crossed that line. Be warned.
Izuna.
Uloma.
Izuna.
Uloma, how are you?
I'm not fine. Izuna, why have you decided to wrench my heart from my body?
Uloma, you're no doubt one of the fairest maiden in Ubene. But my heart belongs to your friend, Obiageli.
Obiageli? The talkative? Who goes about begging for love?
She need not beg anymore. My heart belongs to her.
But I love you.
I know, but my heart belongs to your friend, Obiageli. Sorry.
Thank you, Izuna. I shall come by twilight to meet you, okay?
I shall stay at the bushes and await your arrival, okay?
Oh, Jideofo. See what you do to me? You've shattered me. You've poisoned me. Yet you refuse to look my way again. Jideofo, I curse you. I curse you, Jideofo. May you never find the love that you so desire. May you groan 7 times this biting agony that reads me. Jideofo, I curse you. May you live long, but may love be far away from you, Jideofo. Jideofo, I curse you.
Do you see her?
Yeah, I see her.
Beg God to answer our prayers. We shall take her with us for the sacrifice. The gods desire a maiden without child.
How are you sure she's not with a child?
That shall be left for the gods to decide.
Jideofo, I curse you.
Jideofo, I curse you. Jideofo, I curse you. Jideofo! Hey! Stay away from me. Do not come close to me.
Do not mistake the silence of a tiger for cowardice. Let us go and harm might not come to you.
No.
In reality, here you stand before me.
I am yet to
challenge me. You dare challenge the viper of Ubene clan?
You are nothing but an unremembered woman who afflicts people with the misery you hold within.
How dare you?
I dare you, Onugu. You old and cantankerous witch.
Those leaves of Otopa you cling to are withered. And tonight, no one shall save you. For your healer and lover of all time sojourns with his worst enemy.
No. Give me back my years. Give me back my beauty you stole and save him. Save Jideofo, for he is innocent.
Your years? No. Your beauty will not last long. For it was your mother that stole him from me.
My mother? What do you know about my mother?
That's cursed one. Kemwe, your mother. My sister. He was supposed to make me the queen of Ubene clan. But she slept with him. Some mornings later, he told me to my face that she was with his child. And there was nothing he could do. After leaving my powers behind and the title of the gods for his love, I became sorely vexed. And one night, while they slept, I set them ablaze. I watched the inferno consume them as they begged for help.
If she died in that inferno rising, then how possible was it that I was bettered by her?
She did not die. She escaped and bettered you a while later. But I never stopped. I reclaimed my powers and became Ezenwani Kezizi, Onogo, the viper of Ubene clan. And so I cast a spell on her that led her to perdition. I separated you from her and also caused your beauty.
You killed my mother, your own sister, for a love you never got afterwards.
She is to be blamed! Yes, you exemplify her. And these are the facets of your truth.
For so many years, I've wished to call someone mother. But I am happy I never had to call you mother.
Zarema. 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 No. Do not die. Zarema. I'm bereft of my power.
Ofoma, something burdens me from within.
What could that
be? I hope my sister is well.
Uriako will be fine. I also have a sister to worry about.
The rain is upon us. Are we close?
We're almost there.
Oh! This is what I should have done before now.
What have I done? What have I done to deserve this? Help me! Help me! Death has taken its toll on me. I shall never see tomorrow.
Tomorrow is here before you.
Zarema.
Death is not the end of it all. Having loved and being loved is the essence of our life.
You speak as though we are miles apart.
So shall we be for the rest of our lives. Do not cry for me, for I did not die. My essence lives. You shall find me on the leaves of those red trees. And when the rain falls, you shall hear me calling.
I want you. I want to hold and have you.
Do not come close. Go back now. Go back to the land of the living. They need you. Go and destroy the ones who ruined our love, Ofoma and Onugu, and live in harmony with the rest of them all. My time has elapsed. I shall go now, for the river of death awaits my arrival. Goodbye, my love.
Please, Sarah, please don't go. Please, my love. My beloveds, don't go.
No! No! You are dead and forgotten.
Ofoma, my friend and foe. I have come to hunt you.
It cannot be you. You are dead. It cannot be you.
Are you suddenly scared? What's happened to that courageous and vile Ofoma? What?
Forgive me, Jiteofo. Forgive me, please.
Forgive you? I, Jiteofo, forgive you. Did you think about that when you led me astray to plunge into a downcast hollow? Did you? Ofoma, I swore to you that I will forget the bond of friendship we ever shared and kill you with my bare hands. And that I will do!
Oh gods of Ubene, I have manipulated the people of this clan, used my whims and caprices, my antics to lure the unsuspecting ones to their doom. All I did for revenge. I did for a biting anger. Now I'm blind to other realms and see no more. Is this my cause? The aftermath of my deeds? Oh, death! Come and take me away into the realms of the hereafter. Oh, death! I call forth thee to take me.
And death you shall get.
This is the tragedy of my time.